In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an XML file into Confluence. We'll take this step by step, ensuring you understand each part of the process thoroughly. Whether you're new to Confluence or just needing a refresher, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Confluence homepage. This serves as your central hub where you can manage all your ongoing projects, documents, and collaborations. From here, you'll need to determine which space you wish to add your XML file to. A space in Confluence is essentially a collection or grouping of pages dedicated to specific teams, projects, or subjects. So take a moment to consider where your file will be most needed and beneficial. Once you've made your decision, go ahead and choose the appropriate space. Inside your chosen space, it's time to select the exact page where you'll be importing your XML file. If you haven't outlined clear hierarchies yet, it's always good practice to keep your work organized by using pages effectively. This will not only help you, but your team members as well. With the correct page open in front of you, find and click on the Edit button. This will allow you to make changes to the page, including uploading new content. Now, look for the option labeled Add Image, Video, or File. Clicking on this will open up a window of possibilities, literally. You're free to include various types of media to enhance the usefulness and interactivity of your page. Next, you'll see an option to Upload. You guessed it. This is your key to bringing that XML file on board. Give it a click, and a file selector will appear, allowing you to peruse the contents of your computer. Take your time to locate the XML file you've prepared. Knowing the exact location on your computer beforehand can save you a bit of time here. Once you've selected your file, simply click Open to start the upload process. Depending on the size of your file and the speed of your internet connection, this could take a few moments. It's usually quick, but do make sure to wait for confirmation that the file has been successfully uploaded. And there you have it. Your XML file is now part of your Confluence page. This process not only allows you to store important information, but also facilitates better collaboration among teams by centralizing data in an accessible format. I hope this guide has been clear, and thank you for following along. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and happy collaborating.